And in this video, I'll discuss some questions based on mirror formula. So any question if we have to solve based on mirror formula, so we know this formula we have to use, this formula itself called mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and v is image distance, u is object distance, and f is focal length. One more formula we know, magnification is equal to minus of v by u. In this formula also, v is image distance and u is object distance. So if you are solving any question based on mirror formula, mostly we have to use these two. Any question based on mirror, we have to use the mirror formula and magnification. But what they will ask in so many questions, what will be image size, what will be nature of image, and where image will form. So whenever they will ask nature of image, we need to remember 5-6 points to decide what will be nature of image. Nature means it will be erect, inverted, virtual, diminished, enlarged. So to decide nature of image, we have to remember 5-6 points. First point you have to remember while solving this type of question. While solving question based on mirror, if you are getting v positive, if v you are getting positive, means after solving using this equation, and if you are getting value of v and that value of v is positive, in that case image will be virtual image. Image will be virtual image. So you can decide image is virtual or real depending on value of a v. So value of v positive, it means image is virtual. If v is negative, if value of v is negative, it means symbol image will be real. And if you are calculating magnification, magnification become positive value. Magnification positive, it means image will be erect image. Erect image. And if magnification negative, magnification is negative, in that case image will be inverted image. Inverted image. And if magnitude of image, magnitude means only that positive value. If magnitude means mod value of image, only positive value of image greater than 1, in this case image is magnified. You can say it's a magnified, or else you can speak it's a enlarged. And if m is less than 1, in this case image will be diminished. Diminished means size of image will be less than size of object, and enlarged or magnified means size of image will be greater than size of image. Sorry, size of image will be greater than size of a object. So whenever you are solving any question based on mirror, so you need to remember these 6 points. So if you remember these 6 points, you can define what will be nature of image, where image will form, it will be erect or virtual. Okay, for that purpose, look at this question, question number 9.1 from NCERT. I took this question from NCERT. This is the first exercise question 9.1 from the optics. So if you read this question, what they are asking for, a small candle 2.5 centimeter size, placed at distance 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror of radius 36 centimeter. So first we focus about given data. What's the given data? Object distance is 27 centimeter, and we know object distance must be negative. Obviously we are talking about real object. So real object distance must be negative. So value of u I'll write minus 27 centimeter. Now it's a given radius of curvature 36 centimeter, and we know one formula, f is equal to r by 2 and r is equal to 36, so that will be 36 divided by 2, that will become minus 18. Why minus sign? Because it's a concave mirror and radius of curvature for concave mirror, it must be negative. So minus 18 centimeters. So now two things we know u and f. So if you see this formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. In this formula we know u, we know f. I need to calculate v. So 1 by v minus, in place of u I will write this value minus 27, and in place of f I will write minus 18, minus 1 by 18. So 1 by v is equal to, what you will get finally, 1 by 27 minus 1 by 18. If we solve this one, LCM of these two, that will be 54, and here what I get, where I'll get 2, and in this side I'll get 3. So that will be 1 by v. So if we calculate this whole thing, I'll get v is equal to minus 54. 1 by v I'll get 1 divided by minus 54. It means v is equal to minus 54 centimeters. So if you see this answer, I got v negative. If you remember first point, if v negative, it means what? Image will be real image. Image will be real image. You can see over here, if v negative, if v is negative, so image will be real image. If v negative, image will be real image. So in this case, image will be real. Okay. Now, real image forming. So I need to calculate magnification as well, because they are asking for position of image. So describe nature and size of image. So first I got position, and they are asking for describe nature and size of image. So I have to describe nature as well. So for nature, one nature we got, that is real, but we didn't get it's a magnified or enlarged or it's a erect or inverted. For that purpose, I need to calculate magnification. So if I calculate magnification, magnification is equal to minus of v by u, and I got v is equal to minus 54, and u is equal to minus 27, and 1 minus outside. So I'll get finally it's a minus 2. So magnification minus 2. So magnification minus 2, that indicate that m is negative. If m is negative, if you see that, I already explained this thing. If m is negative, it means m is negative, image is inverted. So image will be inverted one. So inverted image will form. Inverted image. Now if you see the mod value of m, mod value of m means this is mod of minus 2. Mod of minus 2 means that is 2. That 2 is greater than 1. So 2 is greater than 1. It means mod value of m greater than 1. So if mod value of m greater than 1, in that case image will be enlarged. Image will be enlarged. If I ask you final nature of image, first thing you will write real. Second thing you write, it's inverted, and third you write, it's a enlarged image. Enlarged image, or as you can also write, it's a magnified image. So final nature of this image, real, inverted, and enlarged. One more thing they ask, what will be size of that image? Size of image. Size of image they ask. It means magnification we already got. What's the magnification? Minus 2. And we know there is a one more formula for magnification. That magnification is equal to minus of v divided by u, that is also equal to height of image divided by height of object. We know this minus v by u already calculated this magnification, this is 2, and height of image they are asking for, and height of object it's a 2.5. So if you multiply 2.5 into 2 with minus sign, that will be height of a image. So height of image, if I calculate, that will be minus 5 centimeters. So this question completed, guys. Now I'll solve one other question based on this mirror formula only, but this case I use concave mirror, and this mirror is concave. In that one I use, that second question I am going to solve, in that question I'll use convex mirror. So if you see that question 9.1, and next question will be 9.2, in that one I'll use concave mirror. 9.2. It's 9.1. 9.2 I'll use concave mirror. See, this is 9.2. In this one I'll use concave mirror. Look at this, a 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from convex. That one was concave, now this is convex mirror. First one is concave, and this 9.1 concave and 9.2 convex. Here I am using convex mirror. 9.1 it was concave mirror. So in this question, object distance it's written 12.2 only 12 centimeter, and focal length is given 15 centimeters. So again I need to use same formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, and for magnification purpose that will become minus V by U. This is the mirror formula I need to use. But U is given, U always negative, that is minus 12 centimeter is given in the question. 12 centimeter plus, and focal length it's a 15 centimeter. Why focal length I am writing positive? Because it's a convex mirror, and focal length in the convex mirror we take positive. Now what I have to calculate, again they are asking for location of image, magnification and nature of image. So they are asking location of image and magnification, they are not asking nature in this case. So only I will find out location of image and magnification, means they are asking for value of a V and value of a M. Now I will use this formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So in this one if we see 1 by V in place of U, I will write that 12 centimeter, in place of F that is 15 centimeter, this one will go right side. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. So if you see LCM of this one will be 60, this one will be 5, this one will be 4. Focal length will be positive and U will be negative. So we'll get to this one, find this one right side. Okay, so this 12 plus so V's value of V what I'll get 16, that is 60 divided by 9. That is 60 divided by 9. So that will become, if you multiply by 3 here, if you divide 3 over here and this one also, numerator denominator, that will become 20 divided by 3. That is of approx 6.67 centimeter. We are getting positive value or negative, we are getting positive value. Positive value means its image will be real image, virtual image, but they are not asking for nature of image, they are asking just a position of image. So position of image will be 6.67. Okay, now they are asking for magnification. So magnification is equal to minus of V divided by U. V is equal to how much? 20 divided by 3, positive sign, and U is equal to minus 12. So magnification of this one become minus, outside is minus, minus become plus. So magnification of this one become 20 divided by 36. So this is magnification of this image. 20 divided by 36, that will be 10 divided by 18. You can calculate this magnification. So guys, these are two questions from NCERT 9.1 and 9.2.